Have you ever noticed that your Model 3 trunk lights are a little dim? I'm going to fix that today. Hi, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share my Tesla Model 3 owner experience to help new and future owners learn more about this car. If you find my videos helpful and informative, please consider subscribing. I don't know about you, but I have been noticing that my Model 3 trunk lights are actually pretty dim. I found out that I can actually fix that by replacing the light bulbs in there very easily. And while I am at it, I decided to change some of the lights inside the Model 3 to color purple. It's actually my favorite color, just for fun. So I wanted to share this video with you and show you how easy it is that you can change the lights in the trunk and also inside your Model 3. The products I'm using today are from Abstract Ocean. I have a link to their website along with my discount code in the description box, so make sure you go check them out. First up, trunk lights. I will be replacing the existing ones with these ultra bright plug-and-play LED interior lights. I am going to take these out for you so you can take a closer look. Basically, these are the same as the puddle lights that I have replaced on my doors. If you have seen my previous video when I did the walk around of my car showing all the different mods and customizations that I've done. These are the same things, but these are super bright. Basically, you take out the existing lights from your Model 3 and you just attach them. So very easy to do. And then, since I am changing the lights, I decided to also change my interior lights for the driver's side and the passenger side to these purple ones. These are specific to the Model 3 footwell light, so when you order your colors, make sure that these are for the Model 3 footwell. And same principle, just different color, plug and play. These will be a little bit harder for me to get into because they're underneath the driver and the passenger. Probably the driver's side will be a little bit challenging for me, not the passenger side. So we'll see. So I have these. And then finally, for giggles, they also have these filters that you can put on the side pockets of the lights for your Model 3. So I figure, well, if I'm changing the front two lights to purple, why not change these to purple as well? Just make it uniform. So these are just stick on and it should be really easy to install. So let's go ahead and get to it. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention, I also got this spudger from them. It's like $7-8. Kind of pricey, but it will make your job easier. And I'm keeping it around the house as an extra tool that I can use. By the way, I have watched installation videos on Abstract Ocean's website. They have very good instruction videos that I highly recommend that you watch before you do all these installations. All right, let me show you where the lights are, and I apologize that there's excessive power tool noise in the background because my neighbor is doing renovation. So here we go. There are two lights in the trunk. One is located right by the charging port, and then the other one is located on this side right here. So I will attempt to remove these while on camera and see how successful I am to capture this. But basically what you can do is you can watch the Abstract Ocean installation video like I mentioned, and it's going to be very easy. So I'm going to take this spudger and I am going to pop this out. Very easy with this tool. And then once it's out, I'm going to disconnect this like that. So basically there's a little thing that you need to squeeze right here in order to pop out the light. So not to be confused with the original and the Abstract Ocean one, when you're changing these out, the Abstract Ocean one has their logo right here. So this is the OEM one that doesn't have a logo. This is the one with the Abstract Ocean logo, so you're not gonna be confused. And now all I need to do is reattach it. And voila, see how much brighter this is now. And once it's done, I just push it in and there it is, super bright. All right, the trunk lights are done. These are so much brighter than what I had before. I will come back and show you guys at night. All right, now let's look at the footwell. That's where the light is, so I have to really go down low and change this one. I'll be back. Footwell ones are done. These are a little bit tricky because they're all the way underneath here, so I had to literally like lie down facing up like this to work with it. And this one in particular, the driver's side, was really tight. It took me a long time to get the original one out. And so the trick I found was you need to put the spudger all the way in, stick it in as much as you can, and then pull it with all you have, so then the original light can come out. And I also had a little bit of difficulty putting this one back on just because the opening was really tight, but eventually I was able to press it back in. So it looks really awesome, and sorry about all the noise outside, but I can't wait to show you guys when it's dark, and I'm gonna come back and show you what it will look like at night. And here's the one on the passenger side. This one's a lot easier because I had experience with the driver's side, and the cable attached to the lighting is actually longer on this side. That side is pretty short, about this long, and this one is a little bit more extended. So this one's a lot easier to install, the passenger side, than the driver's side. Lastly, let's go ahead and get these light filters installed. These are for the door pocket lights here. So I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard in the bright light, but it's right here. And what you need to do is the white part, the whitest part goes toward you. So I'm just going to have to stick it out like that. And then the two front pocket lights will also be purple. So let me go ahead and do that, and I will be back. All right, the driver's side is done. I've stuck it on. And it's hard to tell again during daylight, so I will come back at night and we'll get to see the final result. Let's check out the final result. Wow, this is really bright. I can see it very clearly. Very cool. Super bright lights. Let's check out the footwell lights. Very pretty. Ooh, I like this a lot. All right, let me turn off the dome lights. This is gorgeous. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's check out the pocket, the door pocket lights. Well, I don't think they did much. I don't think these little filters work that well. So here's the passenger side. Yeah, I don't think they look like purple. They look like before. But these footwell lights, I highly recommend them. I hope this video has inspired you to have some fun with your Model 3. If you're curious about my other how-to videos, you can check out the playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time, and God bless.